In this book, I'm trying to answer a key question for political sociology is how might the state governmentality can be helpful for the government to maintain its compliance from the public, while also taking advantage of this rapid economic growth. Well, normally we would think a rapid economic growth can be a disruptive power that's threatening the social relations and the ideologies of the incumbent regime. However, China's case tells us, well, the incumbent government can actually lead a rapid social and economic transformation for over 40 years without a fundamental subversive against its rule.
Yan Wang did a marvellous PhD, and we were alerted to this because of a blog that mentioned it sort of spontaneously. And then we contacted her and worked with her very closely right through the COVID period and to work up the text, which she's done very successfully, and I'm super impressed by the way that that's converted from being a PhD into being a really good book about China's pension policy.
Got strong and supportive and constructive feedbacks from my reviewers. That gave me more confidence to change my materials, develop it and further to publish it. Patrick has been a strong and helpful kind of mentor to guide the young junior professionals to move from their student period into a researcher period.